going potty in Crittenden. Good girl. Oh yeah. Thirsty girl.
Yes, she was.
What do you think, Mia?
Come on, Mia.
Go, Mia, go! Whee! Good job.
Not a fishing net, no.
Nice.
I have a fishing, like where you
Thank you.
fish. Oh, wow. Okay.
All right. Woo!
Ooh.
Hi, Papa.
That's a good camera.
There's Mariah. Hi, Uncle David. All right, let's do this. This is gonna look cool. Papa's car. Wow, that's a nice Jeep. Woo! Mia, is this too hot for you? I checked it earlier.
Breaking on the inside. His girl just walks away, except for me. Because you see, I'm that funny little clown.
Bobby Goldsboro called Funny Little Clown.
I love Bobby
1964
Goldsboro.
music. We got more music coming your way from 1963. We got some more country. Get out your tickets, folks. I want to give another $20 away. Dig out your tickets. I'm going to give another $20 away. All right. You got your tickets ready? 402045. I can tell the other guy, you know, the DJ gets 20%. All right. Billy Andrews, lucky winner of $20 more. We'll be giving more away as time goes on, but right now we want to get back into more music. Here's Jimmy Gilmore of the Fireballs. It's called Sugar Shack. Summertime music here at Lakefest in Jamestown.
Uncle David's Corvette. Look at that.
Made out of espresso coffee tastes mighty good. That's not the reason why I got it.
What? Oh, let's do it. I'm sweating in places that, like, yeah, exactly. My, like, chin is sweating. you got a mini car in there. You gotta stop. All the trophies. I want the big one. Guys, I did it. I officially have a trophy. Top 25. Let's go. I'm so excited. Literally the best day ever. My man Craig. We're setting up for the concert tonight. Craig Morgan. Dude, this is so cool. Lakefest 2022. Up here for the car show. It's hot, my dudes. Dude, if I meet Craig Morgan, dude, I'm just a country music fan and lover. Like, I don't even care. It could be any musician and I'm like, you're amazing. I love your music. But Craig Morgan pulls on your heartstrings, man. We added a member to our family 4th of July weekend. Everyone meet Jamie, aka Boots. Some guy came up to us and said, hey, can you take my dog because I can't have her? So naturally, we said yes. So she's officially part of the family and she lives with my mom and Marshall. Isn't she cute? Come on.
He was covered with the evening news, had a pair of old socks on his hands. Bang signs flashing fire below, it was freezing rain and spitting snow.
Let's go back. You won't leave her alone. Oh, he's in bed. Get here.
Not let these people influence you.
Woo! She's finally getting in!
She is, but I am.
Hi!